Are you looking for a Halloween decoration that looks great and unique? If so, this video is for you. In this video, we'll be learning how to make a fantastic DIY ghost at home. So here's how we do it. So for this video, all you need is a few grocery bags like these. You'll also need some vegetable bags. Also, you can get some cloth or some large white bags like garbage bags, but white ones. Either one is fine. And also, we'll need some tape to bind everything together. Some black paper or black masking tape. This will be used for the face of the ghost. And finally, a pole so we can take all of the ghost and we can put it and we can mount it somewhere. So there are two ways we can actually make this ghost. We can either mount it to a surface on the ground or we can hang it up. So it's all up to you, but in this video we'll be mounting our ghost to the ground. So the first step is to create the head of the ghost. So for that, grab a vegetable bag. If you don't have one, it's okay, but these are pretty handy because these only have one corner at the end, which makes it much easier to create a ball out of them for the head. On the other hand, other shopping bags would have two corners, like this, which makes it a bit harder. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this vegetable bag and we're gonna stuff it up with other shopping bags like this. So we're just gonna stuff these bags in all the way. And once you're satisfied with it, you just take the vegetable bag and just roll it up to create the shape of a head. And just smooth it out. You just push it in a little more. And there we go. We just got the head of the ghost. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach this head onto the peg. I've taken the head of the ghost and I put it on the pole and secured it with some tape. So I secured my ghost inside of a pot on the ground because since I'm placing it on tiled floor, we need it inside a pot. On the other hand, if you're placing it in a place with soil, you can just put it right in the soil. So now let's take one of the large white bags and let's put it over the ghost. So I'm just gonna place it over here. Make sure this corner is over the head of the ghost. And I'm just gonna stretch the bag out. And then secure the head over here with some kind of fastener or some tape. Also, we can customize the face of the ghost any way you like. So for example, this face over here, it looks pretty creepy, it's like the Scream. And this one, it's got this really nice cute face. And also, when it comes to the bags, you can add in even more layers, so you can add some more texture to the ghost. Also, additionally, you can choose the materials you like. So for example, in this ghost, we've got a nice sheer, translucent material, whereas in this one, we've got just plastic. For final touch, just grab a transparent cloth, some kind of sheer material, and just wrap it around this ghost over here. And if you want to, you can connect the ghosts, and we made it like it's holding hands. These are our finished DIY ghosts. They look pretty good. Now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We've got some similar videos on our YouTube channel. For example, we got this one video of a DIY witch for Halloween too. So if you like this video and you want some more decorations, please check that out. We'll see you in the next video.